guys, today we are going to start our first topic, that is the transformer. Okay, transformerची definition बघूयात अगोदर. Transformer is a static electrical machine which transfers the electrical power from one circuit to another at same frequency but at different voltage levels, and which is by the principle of electromagnetic induction. Okay, so first we will see the construction of transformer is made up of core made of laminated which is made up of laminated silicon steel which reduces eddy current losses. There are two types of core, that is core type, shell type. Core type means winding on two limbs. Shell type means windings on central limb. Okay, winding, primary winding which is connected to the supply, and secondary winding connected to the load. Conductors. Conductors are made up of the copper or aluminium. Insulation. Insulation is done with the help of paper or pressboard insulations. Oil for cooling. Oil is used for cooling plus insulation. Tank and conservator. Tank filled with oil. Conservator maintains oil expansion. Breather with silica gel. Working principle. So what is the working principle of transformer? Transformer works on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. That is, when AC flows through primary winding, it creates alternating flux in the core, inducing EMF in the secondary winding. And DC never produces changing flux, so no EMF is induced, and transformer cannot work on DC. So what is the EMF equation of transformer? E is equal to 4.44 Fn phi m. ठीक है, where E is the RMS induced EMF and F is the frequency, N is the number of turns, and phi m is the maximum flux. Voltage ratio. V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2. Here voltage ratio is equal to turn ratio. Losses in transformers. Copper losses, that is I square R loss due to the resistance of winding depends upon the load, that is R. Variable loss, it is also called as a variable loss. Iron loss. Iron losses are of two types. Hysteresis loss, which is due to the magnetization, and eddy current loss, which is reduced by lamination. And constant losses. The iron losses are the constant losses, okay, independent of the load. There are also the stray and dielectric losses. Next we will see the efficiency. What is the efficiency? Output divided by input, where output divided by output plus losses. Okay, maximum efficiency occurs when copper loss is equal to iron loss. Voltage regulation. No load minus full load upon V full load into 100. Low regulation is equal to good transformer. मीन्स ट्रांसफार्मर का रेगुलेशन लो चाहिए. टेस्ट ऑन ट्रांसफार्मर. ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट, that is performed on the low voltage side. High voltage side is kept open. Okay, means there is no any load connected on high voltage side. What is the purpose of the open circuit test? No load current and no load losses. So iron losses should not be there. Short circuit test. Short circuit test, which is performed on the high voltage side. Okay, low voltage side is shorted. In open circuit test, we have seen that high voltage side is opened. Okay, purpose. What is the purpose of short circuit test? Copper losses and equivalent impedance. What is Sumner's test? Means back to back test. For large transformer, it is used in large transformer full load test without power loss. Okay, here we are finding the iron plus copper loss. What is load test? Actual load connected, time consuming and costly. Okay, why transformer doesn't work on DC? DC DC in DC there is a constant flux, so no EMF is induced in secondary. Primary winding draws excessive current and winding overheats, so transformer can damage. What is parallel operation of transformer? What are the conditions? Guys, here we should remember the parallel operation conditions. So here voltage, same voltage ratio, same polarity, same percentage impedance, same phase sequence, same x by r ratio. If percentage impedance unequal, load sharing unequal, circulating current flows. So we'll see the summary. Transformer is a static device, means, and here only AC flows. Only AC, it works on AC. Okay, EMF equation is 4.44 F N phi m. What are losses? Losses are iron loss plus copper loss. Here we have seen that copper loss is equal to the I square R, and iron losses are of two types, which are, please comment below in the comment section. Okay, maximum efficiency, copper loss is equal to iron loss. When copper loss is equal to iron loss, there is a maximum efficiency occurs. Open circuit test we are using for finding the iron losses, and short circuit test we are using for finding the copper losses. And transformer doesn't work on the DC. Parallel operation condition, equal voltage ratio and impedance.